There it is, boys. Get a good look, because I'm going to be getting the plastic and we're going to finally redo this bike. ...2005 CBR 600RR. There's the trademark. He put brand new tires on it and a semi-new chain. This thing does have, geez, I forget, maybe 40,000 miles on it. When I get the battery charged or whatever, we'll see what it says. Now, the story on this, a friend of my kids, Alex, bought this and it was in rough shape. So we bought brand new plastic. We put it all on here. It was in one of my videos many years ago, probably 6 years ago. And he rode it for years. Then one day on Route 7, a woman stopped real quick in front of him. He locked up the brakes and he did a complete endo. But he didn't change any of the plastic. It did break the gauge cluster there, if you could see that. It broke that piece. Scraped up the side pretty good. But he continued to ride it for like another almost 2 years in this condition. It did still run great, has high mileage. When you first start it, you could see a little puff of smoke, I remember, but it ran great. It's a good little, you know, beater. So when he was getting married and decided to get rid of it, I said, I'll take it. They're fun little bikes, these little RRs. So I think I'm gonna do the black fairing kit, because when I was talking about it in my last video, I see the prices have come down quite a bit because they're in stock in America. So for like 350 bucks. I'll put the plastic into it. But before I do that, I've had it for 3 or 4 years just sitting. Let's make sure it runs. If it indeed runs and still runs decent, we're gonna get the plastic and we're gonna fix her up and you guys can help. Let's check the fuel. I don't even know if there's anything in there. How come it doesn't smell? Wow, it doesn't even smell bad. Guess because it was in a cool, dry place. That's crazy. I had a CBR600 I picked up that was wrecked years ago that I did myself. I think I still have the seat somewhere. I hope I do. It was like brand new. Where the heck is the battery on this thing? I thought that seat come off somewhere. There's a key. Well, there's the battery compartment. I just got to figure out how to get this seat off. Oh yeah, okay. Here's the battery. I'll hook up this Loki Thor, see if it can read anything here. 0 volts. I might even have a battery that size. What's up, Gizmo? Hey, Meow Meow. What's this? Look for mice. See if there's any mice in here. Took the battery out. It is actually making an attempt to charge that. I don't know if this will fit in there. They kind of look the same. See if we can get this in there. Got a little leak from something. Just moving it around. Doesn't really smell like much of anything. Wonder if it's just mouse piss. No, it's dripping. I'll have to check into that. That battery fits, boys. We'll see if it's gonna start. Let's check that oil level. What do you know? It still has oil. Looks dirty. I wanted to crank first anyway. I don't think that battery's too good. Put the booster on. Let's try it again. Oh, it almost did it. Come on, baby. Might go. Or the injectors are full. She's gonna go. Still runs. Oh yeah. That's antifreeze. Coming from somewhere. It's like maybe a hose. Maybe. Yeah, we'll fix that too. To be expected. We'll pull the plastic off. Well, she's up on a lift, boys. Guess we'll start taking the plastic off of here. See which hose is leaking. Hopefully it's just a hose. The lower fairing off. Side panel. Get this front fairing off of here. Get the mirrors off. Unplug these wires. I don't like that. Huh. They probably got up in the air box, didn't they? They come up in through there. Jeez. Ram air from the front. Can't believe the headlight didn't break. I didn't see how many miles are on this. 38,667. Oh man, see? A lot of miles, ain't it? All your information's under the rear seat. CBR600RR5. So this was originally NH-1. Let's look that up. I thought it was black. There's the dent. Now she's naked, boys. Oh, looky. Was that from the mice? I got the tank unbolted. Let's see what's in there. Oh. Looks like more mice stuff. And that could be the coolant leak we got there. Uh-huh. I love mice. Wait till we get this air box opened up. That looks like maybe the idle up control that's looped into the system. Yeah. So I guess I'll get the vacuum out and see if I can clean that up a little better. I replaced that with a newer hose, and then I looked at this one and the mice started on it, so I might as well change that one too. Might as well drain this the rest of the way out. Put all fresh. And it's blue shit. Put all that back together, cleaned it a little bit. Tried cleaning in there a little bit. Ordered some blue Honda antifreeze. Now let's get to this air box. We can see if the air cleaner's plugged with mouse shit. Hey. Look at that. I wonder how long that's been there. Oh. Uh-huh. I love mice. Let me block all those off so nothing gets in there. And get the vacuum. It's a good thing they put a screen there, huh? I might put a screen where it comes in so they don't even get in there. Look at that. Let's look at it. Guess I gotta do it scrubbing now. Now imagine if that would have got sucked into the intake. That would have been catastrophic. There. That's a little better. It chewed on that a bit. That shouldn't bother anything. Now I gotta clean these tubes. Damn mice. There. Nice and clean. That one's nice and clean. We'll change the oil. Put all new filters. Pretty sure we did plugs when he bought it, so I'm not going to rip it all the way down to there. If I have to, I'll take it apart again. Get this back together if nothing's leaking, and we're going to clean the whole thing up too. Stay tuned for the next episode, boys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.